I measured the resistivity from the neutral to the hot lead of the windings, and it measured almost the same as on the Lakewood P20. So I think I don't have any shorts. And I've got a 2 amp fuse in the circuit just in case, so don't have a short on the line. Let's give it a try here. Well, it looks like the fuse blew. It may be more than the current capabilities of the fuse. I'm going to just go ahead and bypass the fuse since I don't think I've actually got any shorts. I think I'll be okay. I'll try it again here. I think this motor draws about 2.8 amps. I had a 2 amp fuse on there, and I'd given it a few tests before the on-camera performance here. So it's going to need probably a longer duration test period to really make sure that it's there's not going to be any more problems, but looks like it should work out pretty well. I actually found some identification on here, and it says it's a Berns Air King. I personally hadn't heard of that brand before. Maybe some of you all had heard of that. But it's actually a Berns Air King manufactured fan. It feels a little hot, but that's probably because there's no cooling action of air passing over it. We'll get it installed back into the fan and then give another test.